At the moment, you cannot sell Pi coins on Binance or some other cryptocurrency exchange, like you would Bitcoin or Ethereum, for example. However, that doesn't mean that you are out of luck when it comes to selling your Pi coins. You can try peer-to-peer methods, spend your Pi directly at merchants that accept Pi, and more. Pi Network is a popular cryptocurrency project that allows users to mine Pi coins with their mobile for free. The nature of the project means that thousands, if not millions, of users have mined a considerable number of Pi coins and are now wondering where to sell them. In this video, we are going to list different ways to sell the Pi coin in 2023 and provide our opinion on which methods are the safest and which methods you should avoid if you don't want to get scammed. If you're new here, please support us by liking, commenting, and subscribing to our channel. How to sell Pi coin? You can sell your Pi coins to interested buyers both online and offline. The peer-to-peer method allows you to come to an agreement about the price and payment method that will be used when selling Pi. It is worth noting that the P2P approach is the oldest method of trading cryptocurrency. When Bitcoin was just starting out, and there were no crypto exchanges around, users would sell BTC via PayPal or some other payment service with no involvement of any third party. However, P2P is just one of the methods for selling Pi. In the following sections, we are going to examine several different ways of selling Pi coins. Sell Pi coin peer-to-peer. Since Pi Network's mainnet is still closed and the detailed roadmap continues to face delays, there's currently no Pi currently trading on crypto exchanges, except for Pi IOUs, but we'll get to that later. That means that there's very limited price discovery, and no one really knows how much is a single Pi coin worth. It could be 1 cent, $1, or even $100. The point is that no one knows. For that reason, there are countless users on social media platforms who claim they are willing to buy Pi at different rates. Of course, there are also those who are willing to buy Pi in person. Let's see how the two P2P methods compare. Selling Pi coin P2P, online. In our experience and testimonials from numerous individuals, most users who advertise buying Pi coins are scammers. They don't plan on actually paying for Pi, they just prey on those who are willing to send them coins in hopes of getting paid. Selling Pi coin P2P, offline while meeting in person is way less convenient than setting up a transaction online. It also makes it less convenient as a method for scamming people. While we have no experience with in-person P2P Pi coin trades, we'd say that they are much more likely to be legit than their online counterparts. Trade Pi coin IOUs. Another way to gain exposure to Pi Network's price is to trade IOUs on supported exchanges. IOUs are essentially informal agreements acknowledging debt. Once Pi starts trading, you'd be able to exchange IOUs for real Pi coins. It is worth noting that Pi coin IOUs are not real Pi coins. However, they can serve as a great way to provide insight into Pi coin's price potential. At the time of writing, Pi coin IOUs on Huobi and Bitmart are changing hands at around $40, up more than 60% over the past 3 months. The reason for the price increase is the expected release of the detailed Pi roadmap sometime in Q4 2023. However, it is worth noting that the release was initially slated for September, but has recently been postponed to mid-October, which has been reflected in a -20% decrease in the price of Pi IOUs. If you want to see how the price of Pi coin IOUs might perform in the future based on technical indicators and past market data, feel free to check our Pi Network price prediction. Wait for Pi coin to be listed on an exchange. While the final option might not be what you want to hear, the reality is that you'd probably be best served to wait for the official launch of the Pi Network Open Mainnet. It is widely believed that the Pi coin will be listed on cryptocurrency exchange once the mainnet is open. If that happens, Pi will be traded like any other coin or token, meaning that you won't have to worry about potentially getting scammed or getting a bad deal on your coins. Recently, the team has increased their efforts in trying to attract new developers to the network, which some people in the community see as a sign that the company is ramping up for the open launch of the mainnet. The bottom line: there are different ways to sell Pi coins, but it would probably be best to wait for the launch of the open mainnet. If you are wondering how to sell your Pi coins before the open mainnet launch, please keep in mind that virtually every option available at the moment involves a high degree of risk. Since the only real way to sell Pi is peer-to-peer, you'll have to trust the person who is buying your Pi coins to keep their end of the deal. If they don't, there's pretty much nothing you can do, and you'll end up without coins. It is worth pointing out that the delays in the launch of the open mainnet have drawn a lot of attention and criticism from the Pi community over the past couple of months, with some users claiming that the Pi team never intends to release the full version of its network, essentially questioning Pi Network's legitimacy. Thank you for watching.